I've been standing at the station. I've been pretty patient, waiting on this train. They say the skies are gonna open and carry me to heaven. And heaven's where I'll stay. I'm not going back, back, back. Not going back, back, back. Not going back, back, back. Not going back. When I was young, I was a sinner. You should have seen me in the winter. Oh, the ways that I get born. Now I walk the straight and narrow. I'm pointed like an arrow right up to my Lord. I'm not going back, back, back. Not going back, back, back. Not going back, back, back. Not going back. Late at night, go out, eat right up, testify, a wandering eye. Now heard tell the road to hell is the railroad track, painted black. The only way you know it goes is back.
Pero al poder solar eta izarki atera duena rekorrieta oso bezarki kontua jauna oso ona.
Might come for you tomorrow.
Gaurko egunotan garaile lehenengo postuan zirkuituko lehenengo froga hontan Unai Jaio txarro bat gure finalista gazteenentzako hementxe da baita daukagu lehenengo postua gaurko egunotan Iban Garrerentzako txarro bat sub-18 de esta primera prueba del circuito vasco de Ego Diboa. Lehenengo postu hori Alex Odriozolarentzako lehenengo postu hori 1000 puntu baita ere rankineko sailkapenera eta €900 bere poltsiko da txapela baita ere